What the? Los Angeles? Oh, come on. What the? Persistent. Oh, look at this.
Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency information that will help you understand what is happening during an emergency and what you need to do.
Wrong EA. Look at this. EAS, Los Angeles. Wrong state, wrong city, EAS. This is Georgia. Can't act worse. EAS. Wrong state. Well, well, my guess, it was, well, we're not in LA. It's Georgia. Seriously. My guess, my guess the EAS had some technical difficulties and broadcast in the wrong area. It was just not a mistake. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more vlogs and leave a like and feel free to comment. It's been awesome. Follow me on social media. Follow me on Instagram, Google+, Twitter, Facebook. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.